So guys, till right now we just studied about the how to answer the given conclusion. Then with the help of common sign, opposite sign and cancel the is equal to. But when the question they are asking either or case. So this is very important guys. Most of the students they are doing the mistakes in only this problem only, because they don't know how to solve the problem in a simple manner. Guys, when the elements are to be in a same in the conclusion, when the elements are to be same in the conclusion, then most probably we have to identify whether it is a either or case. How can we identify guys? Look at the given conclusion guys. First I'll write the statement for your understanding. A greater than or equal to B, B greater than C, C less than D and D is equal to E. They are asking A to B and A to B. It is nothing but, already I told you, both the elements are same. It is nothing but A is same and here also same, B is here same and B is also same. Then I am going to be as merge it. It is nothing but A greater than B, A is equal to B. What? I'll get this A greater than or equal to B. When we are going to merge the conclusion, when both the elements are same, it is nothing but A in the place of A, B in the place of B, and sign I am going to merge it. It is nothing but A greater than B. And then observe the statement. Here also A greater than B. It is nothing but, when we have this type, it is nothing but conclusions also same and statement also to be as state. But we cannot say both the conclusions are right. Instead of we are telling either conclusion first or second follow, because the conclusion is in first and conclusion in second. Why? When we are doing this, when we have doing this, both the elements are same. When the elements are same, what we do? We have to make it as combined. It is nothing but greater and equal to, I am going to merge it, that is greater than or equal to B. Then I am looking the statement. If the statement also to be in the same and the given conclusions also to be in the same, but we never say both the conclusions are right. Instead of we are telling either conclusion first or conclusion second. Suppose this conclusion is in first and this conclusion will be as fourth. What we do? Simple. Again I am going to be as merge it, but we are changing either conclusion first or conclusion fourth follows. Is it clear? Understanding? Simple guys, simple. What we are doing? Observe the elements in the conclusion whether it is a common or not. If a common, what we are going to do this? We have to combine the sign. It is nothing but one is greater is there, another one is equal to is there. Yeah, when we are state either conclusion first or conclusion second, when first we have to observe the given conclusion, both the elements are same. It is nothing but A in the place of A and B in the place of B. And after that we are going to merge it. It is nothing but A greater than or equal to B. When we have to merge, it is nothing but greater than or equal to B, then the same statement will be applied in the given statement. Then we are say that either conclusion first or conclusion second. So look at the next problem. Look at guys, the given statement is nothing but A less than or equal to B, B less than or equal to C, C less than D and D is equal to E. What we are doing guys? Observe the elements in the conclusion. A is in the same, C in the same. What I am going to do guys? I am going to merge it. It is nothing but A less than or equal to C. Then observe A to C guys. Here A I will write here less than or equal to C. Then what is the common guys? It is nothing but less than or equal to C. The given conclusion is matched with the obtained conclusion. Given conclusion is matched with the obtained conclusion. But right now we are not telling this is conclusion first and conclusion second follow. Instead of we conclusion first or conclusion second follows, we are telling either conclusion first or conclusion second follows. Why? Because both the elements are same. I am going to merge it. I obtain the conclusion is A less than or equal to C. That is going to match with the given statement. So that is the reason we just set as either or case. Is it clear? When we have to say either or case, what we have to follow? One is both the elements are same, we have to find out. Next, we have to merge it. After that, we have to look at the statement. Both are matching, we are going to tell like that either conclusion first or conclusion second follows. Is it clear? Yeah. The given statement is M greater than or equal to O, O greater than or equal to L, L greater than or equal to T, T is equal to E, and E greater than or equal to T. So they are asking again, both the elements are same in the conclusion. It is T in the place of T, O in the place of O. What I am going to do? It is nothing but I am going to merge it, T less than or equal to O, or I will reverse it guys, simple, O greater than or equal to T. Is it clear? So where is T here? T is here and O is here. Simple, again observe the common sign. O is greater than or equal to T. Then what is common here? O greater than or equal to C. So obtained conclusion and given conclusion is match. But we are not telling both the conclusions are follows, because both the elements are same. It is nothing but T in the place of T here, O in the place of O here. Now I am going to merge it, T less than or equal to O or O greater than or equal to T. When both the conclusions are matching, what I am again telling you guys, either conclusion first or conclusion second follows. That's it guys. Next we move for one more problem regarding the either or case. Look at the guys. Again both the elements are same. S less than A, S is equal to A. Simple guys, I will write the statement S less than or equal to P, P less than or equal to A is equal to R greater than E less than or equal to D. They are asking the relationship between S to A. I am going to merge it, S less than or equal to A or A greater than or equal to S. Again guys, look at the common, S less than or equal to A. Again what is the common? S less than or equal to A is common. So both are matching. It is nothing but obtained conclusion and given conclusions are matching. It is nothing but both our conclusions are right, but we are not tell both the conclusions are right. We are telling either conclusion first or conclusion second. Why? Because both the elements are same. I am going to be as merge it. It is nothing but we have less than and is equal to. I am going to merge it, less than or equal to. It is nothing but S less than or equal to A or A greater than or equal to S. But what we obtain here? S less than or equal to A. So obtained conclusion and given conclusion both are matching. Then we have still like either conclusion first or conclusion second. See, P greater than T, T is equal to U, U less than or equal to W. This is in first statement. And second statement, Q is greater than or equal to R, R greater than or equal to W. That is in second statement. Guys, don't worry it about the two statement given. How can I identifying the either or case? Simple guys, we already know this. Both the elements are same. What I will do this? I am going to merge it. It is nothing but T less than or equal to R, R it is nothing but R is greater than or equal to T. Then what I am going to do this? Look at the common element in both the statement. Directly I go with that, common is W. With the help of W, I am going to make it as one statement. Simple guys, they are asking T to R. First I will write here T is equal to U less than or equal to W, but here R is greater than or equal to W. I am going to reverse it, W is less than or equal to R. Clear? So cancel the is equal to, look at the sign between T to R, it is nothing but T less than or equal to R. Again common, T is less than or equal to R. So guys, what we obtain and what we have the conclusion, that is same, but both the conclusion cannot be true because the elements are in the same. I am going to merge it, then merged we have the answer T less than or equal to R, and obtained conclusion also T less than or equal to R. What we tell guys, this conclusion called as either conclusion first or conclusion second follows. Clear? That's it guys. When we have the two statements, simple, again we have to look at the common element. With the help of common element, we have to obtain the conclusion. After that, we have to look at that whether given conclusion and obtained conclusion is same. We have to tell it as either conclusion first or conclusion second. When we are using either first or either second, because both the elements are same in the conclusion. It is nothing but T in the place of T, R in the place of R. I am going to merge it. It is nothing but T less than or equal to R, and we obtain the conclusion also T less than or equal to R. So that is the reason I am going to tell you both. It is nothing but either conclusion first or conclusion second follows. That's it. So next we'll move for neither nor. Neither nor. When we are going to call neither nor, simple guys, simple understanding. Neither nor, it is nothing but given conclusion. Given conclusion, it is nothing but P greater than or equal to R, U greater than or equal to Q. Both the conclusion is wrong. Both the conclusion is wrong. Then we are using the neither conclusion first nor conclusion second. When we using the neither nor, when given conclusions both first and second or first, second, third and fourth both are wrong, we are using the neither conclusion first nor conclusion second follows. So look at the guys, here statement is P greater than T, T is equal to U, U less than or equal to W. This is first statement. Second one is Q greater than or equal to R, R greater than or equal to W. This is second statement. They are asking P to R in the first. P is in first and R is in second. What is the common element? W is the common element. Why we choose the common element? Because we want to establish the relationship between the P to R. So that is the reason I will write here P greater than T, T is equal to U, U less than or equal to W. Then look at here guys, R greater than or equal to W, it is nothing but W is less than or equal to R. Then cancel the is equal to, look at this P to R, we have the sign greater, lesser than or equal to, lesser than or equal to R. Then look at here opposite sign P to R. When we have the opposite sign, conclusion is wrong. Conclusion is wrong. When we have the opposite sign between the elements, what we are going to tell? The conclusion is wrong. So that is the reason first conclusion is wrong. Next we have to look at the U to Q. Again I will write here P greater than T, T is equal to U, U less than or equal to W. This is in first statement, and second statement Q greater than or equal to R, R greater than or equal to W. They are asking U to Q. U is here and Q is here. What is the combined element for me? That is here W. Is it clear? So, simple guys, first I will write here Q greater than or equal to R, R greater than or equal to W. Then U less than or equal to W. What I am going to do this guys, reverse it. W is greater than or equal to U. Is it clear? Here U less than or equal to W is here, but I am going to reverse it, that is W is greater than or equal to U. Then they are asking the relationship between U to Q. U to Q, what is the common guys? Q I am right here, greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to U. Then what is the common? That is greater than or equal to, it is nothing but Q is greater than or equal to. We obtain the conclusion, but here they are asking U is greater than Q. Then obtained conclusion and given conclusion is not matching. It is nothing but in given conclusion they are asking U greater than Q, but obtained conclusion is Q is greater than or equal to U. Then this conclusion also wrong. When both the conclusions are wrong, what we are stated that neither conclusion first nor conclusion second. Understand guys, when we are using neither nor, when both the given conclusions are wrong, with the help of obtained conclusion, then that conclusion we are going to tell it as neither conclusion first nor conclusion second. Is it clear?